Okay, you have made your channel, you have done your banner, everything's looking amazing, and you are ready to upload some videos, which is so cool, go you. But there is something that you should probably do before you upload your videos, and that is verify your YouTube channel. Why is that so important? I will tell you in just a second, but if we are not friends yet, hi, my name is Jess, also known as That Video Girl, and if you're not a subscriber already, I invite you to subscribe and follow along, because I want to make sure that you get rid of that panic when it comes to using video on your social media. So the reason why verification is so important is that it gives you access to YouTube features that you need. It's not kind of like, oh, maybe I'll use it. No, you need these, okay? One of the major ones that you really need is custom thumbnails. Okie dokie, so let's get cracking with this verification. So the channel that I'm going to verify today is Billy Box Co. Bespoke boxes, how exciting, very sexy. All right, first thing that we need to do is click on your channel icon in the top right-hand corner. I haven't got a profile picture at the time being, so mine just says B. Yours might say the same thing. What you need to do next is go to YouTube Studio Beta. Now, heads up, at the time of making this video, YouTube is in a bit of a limbo state, and some of the functions are in beta, but some of them are still in classic, and classic is going bye-bye, so don't get used to it. On the left-hand side, you have a few different options here, and if you scroll down a little bit to other features, you need to go down to status and features and click. This will open up a new tab, and as you can see here, this is all of the different options that you are currently eligible for or not eligible for. And some things are enabled, some things not enabled. If we go up to the top here, there is a little option here, so a nice blue button that says verify. Click that button. Verify your account. It's a two-step process here. Select your country. I am an Aussie if you haven't already picked that up. And I usually just say, text me the verification code. Next up, you put your phone number in here. Once that's done, you hit submit. It's going to send you a text message in like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hopefully. Hello. There you go. All right. So now let's have a look at this code. You enter the code that it has sent you. Very exciting stuff. My God, is this not exciting? Okay. Once you have that 6-digit code, you enter it into the little box there and you hit submit. Hey, presto, congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified. Continue. And if you now see custom thumbnails enabled. Couple of other things that have been enabled is also longer videos. You can now make videos that are more than 15 minutes long, which is absolutely fantastic. And yeah, you've got a couple of other things here that are enabled too. Was that useful? Tell me, was that useful? If it was useful, give it a like, maybe subscribe. If you have a question about using video and social media, I want to hear about it. Leave me a comment down below, because this is all for you. I want to know, what do you want to know? Yay, we're done. Wasn't that fun? Okay, I'm gonna go. Have a great day, everybody. See you later. Bye.